This Windermere Real Estates in Juan Island property video is presented by Greg King and Company. Nicely sited in the sweet community known as Country Village just above town, this charming 2-bedroom/1.5 bath 1,188 square feet home could be your dream come true. Lending privacy, the low-maintenance landscaping and inviting covered porch entry sets the tone as you approach. Boasting on-trend wall-to-wall style with thoughtful details throughout, this two-level home embodies the grace of old-world charm with modern amenities in superbly proportioned spaces. Casual elegance, exquisite craftsmanship, and impeccably maintained. Great fenced-back area bordering lush evergreens with raised garden beds. Attached one-car garage. Live your dream. For more information, review the details below.